Alright, welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I am Alex. Today is May 11th, 2025. We are looking at a research paper from Hugging Face's trending list, published just 4 days ago, called Alpha Excel Benchmark. So this paper introduces a new benchmark for testing LLMs on practical business tasks. It uses challenges from the Financial Modeling World Cup, or FMWC, which are complex Excel competitions. These challenges were converted into a JSON format. JSON, standing for JavaScript Object Notation, is a structured data format, making them programmatically evaluable to test LLM performance. Okay, so moving to the results, this first figure presents bar charts showing key performance metrics, essentially measures of how well they did. We see the count of correct versus incorrect answers for 3 LLMs, GPT-4o Mini, Mistral, and QN 2.5 on the Alpha Excel benchmark. GPT-4o Mini clearly leads, with 134 correct and only 33 incorrect answers. QN 2.5 follows with 110 correct and 57 incorrect, while Mistral has 87 correct and 80 incorrect. This visual really highlights the varying capabilities of these models when tackling these practical Excel tasks. Building on that model comparison, this next set of visuals gives us a broader picture of the Alpha Excel benchmark's challenge level. We see an overall accuracy gauge showing 55.7%. So, on average, LLMs got just over half the answers correct. A pie chart reinforces this distribution. Then, a bar chart breaking down performance by individual challenge really highlights that task difficulty varies a lot. Finally, another chart indicates different success rates for what appear to be distinct question types, with one type seeing 63% accuracy and another 47.6%. Okay, so to give us a better feel for the competitive nature of these Financial Modeling World Cup challenges that form the basis of the benchmark, this next image shows what looks like a dashboard tally sheet. It is laid out like a competition tracker, with sections for current challenges, a machine leaderboard, upcoming matches, and even a skills breakdown. This breakdown lists specific Excel capabilities, such as VBA, which is Visual Basic for Applications, essentially a programming language used within Excel to automate complex tasks, and Power Query, a powerful data transformation tool. This dashboard really visualizes how the Alpha Excel benchmark tests LLMs in these demanding, practical scenarios. Right, so to illustrate how these complex challenges are actually presented to the LLMs, this next figure shows an example from the benchmark, titled Tough LLM Letter Counting. What we are seeing here is a snippet of that JavaScript Object Notation, or JSON format we talked about earlier. It lays out a letter soup challenge, specifically a text processing task of intermediate difficulty. The problem is to count how many times a specific character appears in a string of letters, considering case sensitivity. The JavaScript Object Notation clearly defines the input data, like the letter sequence and the target character L, and importantly, the expected answer, which is 4 in this instance. This structured format is crucial for automatically evaluating the LLM's performance. Alright, so after seeing that text processing example, this next figure gives us a look at a different kind of challenge, an optimization question. This one is titled Carpool Optimization, and it is rated as Advanced Difficulty. The JavaScript Object Notation, or JSON, structure again clearly defines the problem. Given ride requests, destinations, and driver availability, the LLM needs to optimize the route to minimize total travel distance. It even specifies the questions, like which driver should pick up Alice, and the expected answers. This advanced example really showcases the benchmark's ability to test complex reasoning skills. So after seeing those examples of complex challenges, like that carpool optimization problem, it is really clear what this research achieves. The Alpha Excel benchmark, drawing from the demanding Financial Modeling World Cup, or FMWC competitions, offers a crucial way to test LLMs on practical business tasks. It shows that while LLMs are improving, especially with structured financial and data tasks, they still face hurdles in complex reasoning compared to top human Excel users. This benchmark truly helps guide future AI development for real-world applications. That is all for this AI Research Roundup. Thanks for tuning in.